All right, everyone. So today we're talking about division property of exponents. Let's make sure we're recording. We are. Okay. Division property of exponents. So in dividing our powers, let's see what we're doing here. So I have 5 to the third, 5 to the fifth divided by 5 to the third. So what would that look like the long way? Well, I'd write them out. And notice, if I have 5 divided by 5, isn't that a fancy form of 1? And wouldn't 3 of these simplify? And how many 5s are left over? 2. So 5 to the fifth divided by 5 to the third equals 5 to the second power, or 25. If I wanted to, all I have to do is, did you notice the pattern? 5 minus 3 is 2. And it's a nice shortcut. Try this one. What would the answer be? Well, if you want to, write them all out. And then you'll be able to see how 3 of the 5's and the top and the bottom simplify, and you're left with 4 in the numerator. And that's 5 to the fourth power, which is also 7 minus 3. So here's the rule. When you are dividing powers with the same base number, you simply subtract the numbers, or subtract the exponents. And that works because you are simply simplifying the fraction. So in this problem, if you can imagine, there are 7 y's up top and 4 y's down below. Can you imagine 4 y's being simplified in the top and the bottom? That would leave you with 3 y's in the numerator. Y to the third. If we do this, what do you think the answer would be? Well, if we do 7 minus 7, we end up getting negative 4 to the 0 power. Holy cow, can we have a 0 power? Yes, we can. What would that look like? Let's take a look. Notice if I have negative 4's all in the numerator and all in the denominator, what happens? They all simplify and they all become 1. And that's how come the answer, any base number to the 0 power, always equals 1. Because what that's telling us is that you have the exact same number in the numerator as you do in the denominator. Everything simplifies and just becomes 1. It's one of the fastest problems you can do. 22 to the 0 power, 1. A million to the 0 power, 1. X to the 0 power, 1. And if you understand that, it just makes a lot of problems go easier. Hope the illustration helped you. All right, can you guys do this one? Did you get it? What about this one? Give it a shot. I will write it out the long way. Well, if I wanted to, I could break this down into 3 times 3, and if I want to, I could break this down into 2 times 3. Or I could simply just do what I've done in 4th grade, divide by 3 and divide by 3, and you'll notice I'd get 3 halves. And when I simplify the w's, I end up getting my answer. In the beginning, I find it helpful to write it out the long way, because then I can see why it's a 3 and a 2, 3 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator, and I can see why my 2 w's are in the numerator with my 3. Once you get the handle of this and you're able to visualize a little bit better, you will find there are shortcuts. Yes, there are. All right, give this one a shot. No problem. Give this one a shot. Hopefully no problem. Give this one a shot. Hopefully no problem. All right, everyone, if you got questions, definitely make sure to ask your teachers. Have a good day.